Hi guys, today June 21, my cousins took us to Radisson Blu Hotel for breakfast. Of course, we tried the traditional Irish breakfast. Although that day was rainy, we stopped by at Roses Point. Sayang maulan, so pumunta na lang kami sa bahay ng aking cousin. Nag-tea kami at ang husband ko nag-wine at nagpahinga na rin. Gusto naman makita ng asawa ko ang house nila. After that, we went to the Shed Distillery. Because of the rain, we thought of doing indoor activities like this one. My husband wants to see how they make the gin. Unfortunately, it's full. May cafe naman dito, so nagkain kami. Malapit naman ang Kilronan, so dinaanan namin. We went inside the castle. That's actually a hotel. Inside is beautiful. Look at that. Not too far from the castle is the Tobernalt Holywell. I was here